Okay, welcome to IRC 2016 on the URC booth. We've got some great news. We've got lots of new things we're launching this year. I'd like to introduce you to some new third-party modules that we've managed to put together. A lot of investment coming from URC on this, specifically for the European market. A big one I want to start with is Denon HEOS. So we have full integration with the HEOS module. This gives us control of multi-room audio across the property. A theme you're going to hear me talk about is the fact that AWE, as a UK distributor, we can bring together different elements from different product ranges and put them into a package. The building blocks we have give us the options to incorporate Philips Hue. So Hue has a new module for the URC system. Both this and the HEOS module, along with the others I'm going to talk about, are developed in-house at URC and are completely free of charge to the installers to use. We also have the full release of the KNX integration. So this goes through a KNX gateway. KNX is a rapidly expanding building automation control system, very popular, and is very good at building automation. But URC is a brand. Its strengths are more lent towards the audiovisual control. So working between the two is a very good partnership. We also have an in-house Sonos module. This was created and is one of the most fully featured Sonos modules available. And we also have Coolmaster as a professional ventilation and heating interface, but also Nest. So what you'll see here is we've got a combination of mainstream consumer and professional products, all working together through the new modules. What I'd like to do is take you and show you some new products now. Just come with me and we'll have a closer look at those. One of the great things about URC is that it's got a whole range of user interfaces you can choose from. Many people like using iOS devices and Android devices for controlling their system, and you can do that with URC. I've actually got some really good news. Now, when you buy a URC system controller, you get unlimited iOS and Android devices attached for that home, free of charge. This is something that previously was about £160 per system, and that now means URC, we can offer you an MRX8, an entry-level system controller, for £520, and there's no license fees at all. So you can now get a professional home automation system for £520. I think that's pretty incredible. But the great thing is, you can expand upon that system. If you've got a wider, bigger, fuller featured house, then the MRX10 and the MRX20 system controller are available. And those also now come included with unlimited licenses. We have some new products available. The TRC820 is an entry-level network remote control. So by network remote, what this means is it speaks back through to the main system controller, and you have two-way communication to the modules and the devices that are connected. So what we're showing here is the HEOS module, and you can go right into a particular zone and see what's playing, change your inputs and so on. Now, when you start browsing music, you might find that actually that's where your iOS device is most useful. But a handheld remote for a typical TV system is still by far the most convenient way of controlling the system. You don't want to have to wake up your phone, or if you need to try and mute the system when somebody phones, or stop somebody browsing Facebook or whatever it is they happen to be doing. This is a dedicated controller, and at £360, it's brand new. The TRC820 is an affordable option for homeowners as well. We do have a wider range of handheld controllers available, increasing in price as you go to larger displays and touchscreen and so on. But we also have in-wall panels. This is a brand new product, the TKP 5500. It's launching in Q2. It can be mounted horizontally or in a more landscape mode. And this gives you, again, full two-way control of the modules and the products connected. So for example, if we wanted to go into security cameras, then we can just flick over like this, and we now have, for example, baby monitor, front door, and so on. So the great thing is, there's a different range of products available. This in-wall panel is going to be just £400. So 520 is an entry point into a URC control system with iOS Android control. You've got handheld control options from 360, and £400 is your starting point for now an in-wall control as well. We believe this offers the best range of interfaces available today.